Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, my mom just got me this. It's a new cake can, but the thing is, you can fill it with candy or whatever you want to. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make this. My kids go to a potluck tonight, so I'm going to make it Halloween-ish. Got some candy. So let's see if this one works. Alright, so I already had both of these. I know I'm using box cake mixes, but I don't have that much time. And these honestly have to cool in the fridge for a couple of hours before I can fill them. So I have one yellow and a triple chocolate fudge. So I'm gonna bake these and we'll go from there. Okay, so I got done cooking both of them. Here is my first one. And as you can see, there's not supposed to be any holes on this side. The holes are actually underneath. But I have an idea. Alright, I went to the store for this specific purpose, and I got little mini Oreos. So I am going to use the chocolate ones because they're small. I'm going to flip that over. So I've already messed up. First step, I've already messed up, but hopefully this will fix it. So I'm just going to put the little mini Oreos in the holes and then go from there. Alright, so here is my cake. There are the holes that you have to put your candy in. So, oh, before that, see, I almost just messed it up again. Alright, let me put my Oreos in. Open these, and then you're supposed to just fill the holes with candy. There is my full cake stuffed with all of my goodies. does not look too bad. All right. Messed it up a whole bunch, but it should be okay. So we'll just see. So here it is. Like I said, I'm not a cake artist, and the stuff I was putting on top didn't really work for me, but it's done. It's finished. Like I said, half of it is orange, half of it is black. I will show you guys a piece once we cut it, but yeah, now I know. So next time, better. This time, we'll see how it looks on the inside. And there we go. There is my cake. As you guys can see, this is the one with the M&Ms in it, but yeah, the kids really liked it. Everybody really liked it. Next time, I know what I have to do with the cake, but first try, not too bad.